America, hear me when I say this. Some of y'all are out there living dangerously. Some of y'all are simply working too hard because some of y'all are out there driving with expired car warranties and no protection whatsoever. And don't give me, but Stephen, hey, my car's like new, or it never has problems. Just stop it. Stop it! It's not a question of if it'll break down, it's a question of when. Like when your AC goes out in the summer, or when your transmission goes kaput, or when that engine of yours just ain't engineing. You name it, because it's gonna cost you. That's why I ride with CarShield. They're America's most trusted auto protection, and one phone call can save you thousands on repairs. Plus, every plan comes with even more money-saving benefits. That's saving money on top of saving money. And that's how you play elite defense, America. Now, somebody give me a snack, please. And by the way, no veggies.
Call CarShield now and find out for yourself what makes them America's most trusted auto protection company. Call for your free quote and get a plan in just minutes.